Hello and welcome back to Sethioz Reviews. Here we have something different for a change. Virtual Core Evolution Universal Rifle Adapter. Works with Oculus Rift and HTC Vive as far as I'm aware. I think it works with both, I'm not sure, but it says universal. And we also have these silicone cases for the controllers and some covers in here. I'm not gonna do gameplay on this video. I already mentioned it ahead. Look at that, it's really smushed, nicely sealed with a sticky sticker, shiny sticker which doesn't even break. Have to peel it off, nice and easy. There we go. Whatever, it broke. Okay. Right, so there are some belts and stuff. That's a pretty heavy belt. That's metal. Nice. Look at that. How does it work then? Wait. What the hell? That's a weird one. Right, anyway, let's unbox all this. Unboxed. That's good. That must be the what is it called? Stock thing. See, it has all these things, so you can adjust all this stuff in here. Right. No, I think this only takes Vive. I'm not entirely sure. Right, that's the stock thing, definitely. Which way does it go? I think it goes this way. Right, anyway, so I need to figure out how to put all this together. I'm not sure. But before I do, whoops, something fell on the ground. I will also check out this thing. Let's just open this up. I don't know why they are like bright colored like this. Maybe it's made so that they show up on a video better. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I do have the Vive controller in here. So how do you put this thing in here? Insert it through the hole, I guess. Oh my god. Okay, it's going. Is it? Yeah, that's what she said. Right. Then this pops over this. There we go. It's still going. Right. These ears pop over that. You have to put it precisely. You can't just throw it around like randomly. Because see, these things in here, these are for the tracking, and these must be visible, so you have to adjust it so all of these are visible. Otherwise the Vive might lose the tracking. See, like this one, so it's badly cut or something like this. But I think that's how it works. Grip buttons are here. I don't know about this bright color personally. I don't know. But it does protect it because what the heck? Is that no. That's not supposed to be like that. I have to cut it out myself. See, there's like and this one it's not properly done. So basically, if you have tracking problems, I mean, if you cover one of them, it shouldn't be an issue, but it should not be like this, so don't do it on purpose. But yeah, basically, if you put this around and it's gonna lose tracking or something, then you know that one of these is blocked. So we also have these I don't even know what you call them, faceplates. Okay, these are pretty much default ones. There we go. I think they're default ones. Yeah, they're pretty much default. Or are they? Yeah, they look like default. I already did review on different ones too, but these are just extra ones. I don't know if they come with this. I'm not entirely sure. I don't think they do, but it's by the same company. So here they are. I think they're default ones, yeah. I actually prefer these. I tried the leather ones. I mean, this is not the best. I prefer the cotton ones. I tried the leather ones, and your forehead just starts sweating really crazy with leather ones. So something that lets your skin breathe is definitely better than having the leather one, at least for me. Or at least with hot weather or something like this. But let's try to figure out how this fits together. Right, so this is how it's assembled. It's a bit too big to fit in here. I don't know what this is. This looks like some rifle attachment thing. It really does. It looks like you can put a laser sight in here. I mean, like in a real life, the attachment things. But I guess it's just so they don't slide this off. But this is the generic shape. You can actually refer to the guide in here. It's slightly different in here. See, this bit is longer and these are a little bit shorter, but this is shorter and these are longer. And obviously it doesn't work for Oculus Rift, not this one. See, these things are different, these mounts for the controllers. But this is like a generic thing, so if you buy for Oculus Rift or the Vive, then you can get, both. And I am guessing that if you have both, if you have Vive and the Rift, you can make a special request and just get these adapters for the Rift and for the Vive. So you have one adapter, like one of these, and two of these mounts, so you can always take these off. But that's how it works. It's actually pretty comfortable. Like I said, I will do the gameplay in another video, but that's how you hold it. And from looking from this angle, see, you put your hand in here and your shoulder goes against that, and you can aim over this in here, and that's why it's universal. You have to adjust it for the weapon in the game. Whatever weapon you have, like these are not always the same. I will definitely test it out, so if you want to see gameplays with this thing, I have a few games in mind to test, then head over to my gaming channel in the description and check it out. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but hopefully a couple of days from this video. So that's how it looks like. I really like this thing, guys, so definitely recommend this. I have to try the gameplay first, but I already tried holding it and it's really freaking awesome. It works pretty well, so. But, well, check out my gameplays and I will see you next time.